Hey guys, so it's Tuesday, December 31st at just after 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I wanted to say Happy New Year to everyone before I went off for my own festivities. So, Happy New Year! 2013 was interesting for me. I can't speak for everyone because I don't know who everyone is, but I know that I'm really glad that it's coming to an end. I've gone through a lot of interesting things since last January, which honestly, it feels like 30 years ago. I can't even remember all of the things that I've experienced in the last 12 months, which is insane. I finished my last year at university. I got my education degree. I got my bachelor's. I got I received job applications. I moved my entire life across the ocean. I met some great people. I said goodbye to some wonderful people. I put myself through hell at this job. I met someone really great. I was fired from that hellhole. I found a new place. I found a new job. I cried a lot. I learned a lot about myself, and it's just been an absolute whirlwind, and I cannot believe that it only took, actually, it didn't even take the whole year. All of this stuff has happened to me in the last 6, 7 months, and it's just been absolutely insane. So insane, in fact, that I cannot remember anything from like January to July, other than, and this is where my mind is kind of like my saving grace, other than my last teaching stage at Marymount Academy here in Montreal. Honestly, those are just, when you look back at your life, and if you do little increments like looking back at a year, it's just the sort of the things that punctuate your experience that remind you like what is really important. So I remember working at Marymount, and I remember moving to the UK, and I remember getting fired, and I remember getting hired, and I remember falling in love, and I remember saying goodbye to friends and saying hello to new ones, and now I'm here, and it's the end of the year already, and that's absolutely insane. So, it's been a year, and I'm so glad it's over. And I know that might sound weird, but I'm really glad 2013 is over, because I'm really looking forward to 2014, in that I hope it's a year of stability and just sort of assertiveness and surety for me. Um, I've done a lot of changing in the last 12 months, and I'm really looking forward to just sort of living now and settling and just being and slowing down, which is something that I'm really, like I said, I'm really looking forward to living and experiencing, because everything's just gone so fast. And you know, I'm not a complainer, but at the same time I feel like I deserve a break. I deserve a rest after everything that's gone on. So I'm really looking forward to 2014 just being relaxing. And full of great new experiences. Yeah, I'm not going to slow down in that way. I want to travel, and I want to, expand my professional practice and things like that. But I just don't want any more nasty surprises in 2014. That would be nice. So if anyone is listening up there, God, Allah, Buddha, anyone, just chill with the paradigm shifting experiences for me for a bit. That would be great. Anyway, so I hope that 2014 brings a lot of love and happiness and luck and all of your goals. I hope that you reach them, or at least you put the right step forward into starting to reach them. And I guess, for people who are watching, I know that some of my old students are watching, so I hope you guys continue doing awesome in school, and you keep going down the path that you want to go down, because you're great people, and I'm really enjoying seeing how you guys are growing up, and it makes me really happy. So keep doing well, and always remember that you've got a friend in your old teacher, and I'm always more than happy to help out where you need. And I'm really glad that some of you have made use of our connection. You have reached out to me, and I'm really happy that I've been able to sort of help you and listen to you in that way. So keep doing that, because I'm still here even though I'm on a screen and I'm not in your classroom anymore. So there's that. To my friends that I've been able to see while I've been here in Montreal for like 3 days, Jesus, it's not a very long vacation at all. Plus, I've been sick, so that's been a joy. Chloe, Phil, and Shannon, I love you guys so much, and I'm gonna miss you when I go back. But I still, you know what, I wish you guys all the happiness in the world, and I hope that, everything that you guys are working on gets through, and I hope you realize your dreams, and I'm really looking forward to hearing more updates on that front, and yeah, so I'm gonna miss you like mad when I go back, but I'll make sure you guys know that I got back safe and everything. So yeah, there's that. And my friends and my family in back in the UK, I'll be back soon. And to everybody still working up at Toll Bar and Cleethorpes, good luck, and I wish you guys a lot of happiness and a lot of strength. And you guys are working so hard, and you deserve so much more happiness than the first half of this year has given you. And I hope things get better and they continue to get better. And you know what? If not, I'll keep my eyes and my ears open for work down south, because it's nice, it's close to the city, and let's face it, the weather is a lot better. So, and hello, you'll be me, and I'm awesome. Anyway, my point is this: keep doing what you're doing, keep working hard, because you deserve awesome things, and I miss you like crazy. So, hopefully, 2014 will also be about visits, you know, and travel and learning and all of that great stuff. So, yeah. And let's see, what else can I sort of sagely end this on? Just, you know what? 2014 should be about goodness, okay? And being kind to each other and living each day, so cliche, living each day like it's your last one. So please make it count, and open doors for strangers, and smile, and give your spare change to those who need it, and do good things for each other, and be nice to people in the service industry. Don't bitch at your cashiers, okay? And don't make snarky comments at the young person working behind the counter, because they're working really hard and they're in school and they're doing all that stuff. So let's be good to each other this year, and hopefully, our worlds will be better places. Because that's all we can do, really, is to be good to each other and to make our world the nicest place that it can be. Okay, so hopefully you'll have a safe New Year's. Don't go driving anywhere, and ring it in with a lot of positive energy and good thoughts. Okay, so I'll see you in 2014 when I'm back in the UK. All right, love you guys. Bye.